thank you for your presence. I know that these messages will always reach the people and places that they are meant to. Ashe. Do not take anything that doesn't belong to you, okay? Baby, you wouldn't take someone else's groceries and expect to go home and make the meal that you planned, all right? And you might even be allergic to their groceries, okay? This should serve as confirmation of your own intuition. And if any information feels new or like it might be telling the future, it's up to you to make sure you have received confirmation from your own guides. For in-depth guidance, you can check the description for our resources and services. Yeah, let's get it. Okay, part two. And I just had a confirmation burp after I was thinking. It's something to do about like what's natural, just overall, like natural beauty, natural hair, natural skin, natural food. Um, I said it in some audio somewhere that what you are in your nature, what you are at like your basic model, right, is not only vital but very valuable. And yes, you can get upgrades, you can get updates, but you wouldn't be those updates and upgrades if you weren't the basic model still. So I feel like this has clearly turned into some romantic reading, but I feel like there's just an appreciation for each other at their basic value, their basic model, their who they are in authenticity, but also in respect, where it's not just, I'm hearing lust, it's not just physical attraction. I just saw 111 when I said that. It's actually respect. And I feel like these are two people who have had to fight for respect, two people who have been disrespected. I heard insurmountable times. Um, but there's an innate respect between the two. They don't have to work very hard for it. And so it's been hard to accept because it's like I don't know that. I don't know them. 141 again. I'm pretty sure I saw that in part 1. I am trustful in all my relationships. I just started hearing let's talk about sex, babe. So it's like, yeah, all that, but still. Yeah. And my eyes went to Lifetime. I'm hearing, don't listen to what people say. Yeah. Reputation. They don't know about you and me. So something about someone's reputation, and then my eyes went to wish to keep you in their life. So someone is hoping that despite I'm hearing the rumors, you will choose them. Something is coming to light, so let's see what it is. Ooh, almost dropped the whole deck. Something about some video. Yeah, I'm hearing on my video phone. Something about a video or a FaceTime call, something that was visual. I'm hearing that was recorded. It's like someone had it in like their treasure chest, like locked away. Like maybe this is someone who kept visuals of someone, and they were found because that light is suddenly so bright. Maybe it had to do with some pictures. It doesn't have to be video. What's being illuminated? The 10 of fucking cups. The Wheel of Fortune. Plans being set in motion. So I'm getting, if I have any scandal watchers, yeah, my eye is itching. It's not just Fitz being in love with Olivia, it's him making it known to Melly. That was a big turn point. When was that show on? That was like 14 or so, because I remember watching it. They had that Thursday event for the writer. Anyways, something about Thursday. I'm seeing like a face-to-face conversation, and someone just cannot stop staring at someone's lips. It's like every time they make eye contact, they're just like looking down at her mouth. I'm seeing a sunflower, but I heard a dollop of daisy. Whatever is being eaten, there might be sour cream. I'm seeing like teeth. Like, is there something in my teeth? Like, why are you like? Oh, so someone's like, why are you looking at me like that? Like, is there something in my teeth? And I'm hearing, I just heard, no, you're just gorgeous. Okay. What's coming to the light, this 777 portal? I heard, just give me the light. So just give me the green light. This is the star. This is hope and healing. And hand. Oh. Give me the green light to ask for your hand, or waiting to be given the green light to, wow. So it's her who needs to let go of some things because she can't, her hands are occupied. Ooh, this is getting good. This is getting good. I heard I'll knock all that shit over. Tower moment. This is a phone call. I heard, I can't leave him alone. 606, but I'm getting like, I can't leave her alone. Yes, like they're two fish tied up by the tail. This could be some Pisces energy somewhere. There goes my neck. Oh. I'm like tearing up. Someone thought it was only a dream. Someone thought it was just a vision. It was just something that was nice to think about when the days got dark. I'm like really feeling the emotions, but it's like, no, this can be, and it is. It is. Wow. Someone's first child and like raising the baby with a dog. Bro, the the goosebumps. What's being illuminated, this 777 portal? I instantly got a baby. This is the Ace of Pentacles. This is an offer, but this is also peace, open-mindedness, and travel. So we did talk about a plane ride. I heard, come with me. Hail Mary. Oh, does someone do Hail Marys? Is that Catholicism? Ooh, yes. Is that a yes? That fell in my lap. 747. So something falls into someone's lap. It seems like blessings keep falling in my lap. 38. It seems like blessings keep falling in my lap. What's being illuminated, this 7-7 portal? Take all of them. That wave of smoke in my peripheral vision looked like a gnat or something. So like the haters, the watchers, the flies on the wall, like, no, this is just smoke from the fire that's being ignited. I heard 4 is a crowd. Four, 3, 4. This is that don't listen to what people say. This is that rumor energy. You see, because this is like whispering sweet nothings, gossiping. It's like, don't do that. This is a party or a celebration. And this card is destruction, cycles, and renewal. So someone has put an end to their self-destruction. I'm getting a toast. I heard this is the woman in my life, the love of my life. The light is going to be hitting someone very beautifully. Like, it's something about the way the sunshine hits. I'm hearing Brown Skin by India Ari. Ari. Brown skin up against my brown skin. This could be an interracial couple, an interracial marriage. But they're very much so like the same person in different bodies, I'm getting. Maybe someone is, I just heard Italian, and we already got the black woman. This is, someone's envisioning like how they would be as a father. Like they want to be the type of girl dad that like wears matching friendship bracelets. Like they want to play Uno with their daughter. Apparently daughters, oh, I can't make it up. Twin daughters, that may be a bit premature. This is 9 months in the reverse. But a healthy, happy child. This is the Sun card, 9 of clubs. This could happen. This conception could happen in Leo season, which would be August, and they could be born Virgos. I don't know if that's possible. August and born in October. What the fuck? That doesn't make sense. Clearly, are these birthdays? But oh my gosh, we have 999. Ooh, the goosebumps. Bear with me. There's the tears again. Like, I'm hearing, I just wanna take it nice and slow. But I don't know if this is, slow, y'all. Let's get some clarity. That 9 of clubs, the Sun card, is clarity. It's clarity, simplicity, and a new life. I can't make it up. I just saw the Knight of Swords. That is not slow moving, nothing. Stability has already been found. I'm hearing the foundation is already laid down. So why not just move in now? And I just heard, no, it has to be perfect. So earlier, or maybe in part 1, we got that message about like a man knowing I can't invite her into my space while it's like this. Confirmation. The air just cut off, I think. It's like obsession. Like the temperature has to be right. It's got to smell good. I'm seeing candles. I'm seeing vacuuming. But it's definitely giving like man in the house. So maybe someone was living like man cave energy and they want to, I heard, spruce up the place. I heard put a little bit of oomph in it. I heard like it needs her touch. Yeah. And there's that child. I'm hearing run away with me in the night. What song is that? Run away with me. Not sure. Oh, my eyes itching again. Maybe somewhere by some water. Definitely two people who are two sides of the same coin. We're getting all these mirroring images. Like, and there's that 9 of Cups that was just right there. Ooh. Okay. I feel like they keep showing me the 9s because this Queen of Swords or this Queen of Spades and this King of Hearts or King of Cups will have 8 children together, possibly 10 pregnancies, but 8 children. Confirmation burp, twin girls, 8 months. Making an announcement in 8 months. Oh, the chills. These are so specific. Please, if this resonates, send me an email or text me. Like, everything is confidential. I'll even say it in legal terms when you hit me up. But, like, I just really would like to know who this resonates with because this is very beautiful. And anytime I'm very specific, if you were working a job for 10 years and you knew you were good at it, you knew you were gifted, you knew you were chosen, you still want to hear a good job sometimes. That's what testimonials are for. I'll just speak for me. But as a reader, like, I like to hear it resonated. Like, thank you for the message. Like, that's exactly what I need, or that's exactly what I felt or what I heard. So yeah, with all this specificity, let's finish clarifying because the first one was maybe like 40 minutes. I want to try to keep it to under an hour. But the way I see it, whoever these messages are for, it won't be like, I can't get through that. It'll be like, damn, like she's talking to me. So yeah, I won't rush it. If I'm making a bunch of noise, apologies. Okay, so this tiptoeing I heard has to stop. Where'd that Hermit card go? Because this is a Libra or a Virgo, and Virgo is Hermit. I heard stop shrinking yourself. Where did I put it? Oh, it's right here. It's like someone's used to being skipped over or would rather be skipped over. Like, I heard, yeah, no more of that. Let's clarify the 3 of Hearts. I want to hear about this party or celebration. I heard we going to party and bullshit. And Queen of Cups. Oh, no, Queen of Wands. What happened? Okay, so there's that energy again. Yes, someone focused on stability and who doesn't want to drink. It's like someone doesn't agree with that. And it's stressing somebody the fuck out. Like they know they need to cut somebody out because I heard of their unhealthy ways. Yeah, so they're trying to keep to themselves, I heard, and find a better way to do things. I hate third party energy, not like the actual third party, but just every time I hear in a reading, this could be a third party, it's like, okay. But it makes sense because we saw all these pairs, all these twos, all these mirrorings. It's like there is a third, I heard contributor. Show me the 6 of Hearts, the Lovers. A third contributor to what? Like the prevention of progress. It's like preventing her from receiving this treasure. like blocking it. What's the Two of Diamonds, the High Priestess? I did not mention that this is also the High Priestess energy. Landed right on I'm accepting. So this, I feel like this is conception. I feel like this is have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire. I can't make it up. I can't make it up. So is she a hater? What's this Four of Hearts in the reverse? These rumors. I heard allegations, rumors about a child or a pregnancy. Oh no, about someone's money. Somebody was running their mouth about someone's money. Like I heard, like she don't have a pot to piss in. Oh, I heard don't got two pennies to rub together. Show me this Five of Spades. Because there's some type of bet here. Show me the Five of Spades. Why is this giving me like, I can't even think of her name right now. Well, Lainey from that movie with Freddie Prinze Jr. She's Gotta Have It or something like that. Or what is the horror movie I'm thinking of? How you go from rom-com to horror? 111. Carrie. There we go. Because I feel like she didn't know, or she was blind to what was going on. We have the Six of Cups. That's like, oh, I'll be nice to her. I'll get her flowers. Because there was a bet placed on who would fuck first or something. Child. Yeah, and now I'm hearing suddenly I see. Oh, now she's your world. Now she's your strength. Okay. So I feel like the energy coming through right now, how I'm feeling like, oh, now, I feel like that could very well be her reaction. And that's probably what you have to prepare for. Because it's like, why would I believe that after that it's real? So this is what this man is stressing about, how she's going to take the truth. Because we asked what was coming to the light. Show me Death in the reverse, this Four of Spades or Four of Swords in reverse. Yeah. Selfishness and self-sabotage. How you tie yourself up and then cry about the fact that you can't reach the sword to cut yourself down. Well, the sword that's going to cut you down and set you free is the truth. Someone definitely knows that they need to tell the truth. Oh, no, that took him out. The way I just patted the card was like the way the mother pats Michael in the movie Click at his daughter's wedding, and she's, yeah, and oh, this is significant. And his mother was just like, oh, Donna's such a wonderful girl. You're such a schmuck for letting her go. She's just beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Like looking back at, I can't make it up. Look at him looking back at those two swords. Looking back at the bullshit and feeling terrible. I'm getting it was all fun and games then, and now look. So someone might present as this, but in reality, it's a lot of, I heard, bullshit going on. And then she's the Empress. I heard, couldn't care less. That Ace of Swords, that truth is not going to be her Ten of Swords. It's going to be her Four of Wands. It's going to be her strength. It's going to be her completion of a lesson. It's going to be, I heard, her portion. I heard her fortitude. And then some other worthy man is going to come scoop her up and marry her. I can't make it up. propose marriage for life. They nasty too. Till death do us part. And someone else is going to be stuck in this energy with a hard dig. Hey, that's what they're saying. Um, I heard unable to get an erection because they made the wrong choice, and this is their judgment for it. Now they gotta watch from afar, literally watch from afar as their shit goes to shit. And this may very well be legal. I didn't even mean to pick up the Hermit. It's gonna be someone's reality, 99, and this will be, I'm hearing hers. Either way, the shit has to be revealed. And we'll see who the real victor of this war is. That's what I got. That's what I got. Let's see. I'm hearing oh, that's Dance by Black Party. Someone's gonna be partying. I heard, and that's what the fuck you get. I'm not gonna lie, they just told 2555. They just told me laugh your ass out. I feel like someone is a fucking bully, and they're not about to reap no rewards. Why? Because there's an honor of virtue which this person doesn't fucking have. Let's get some initials. I feel guided to in case you needed one last confirmation. What's this animal card? Bear. That show could be significant, but a mama bear. Show our community collective who we're talking about as a last confirmation. M is the first letter I saw. I saw L. Let me see if I can grab it. T. And I'm seeing Y, melody. Shawty is like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. The letter Z, we've gotten that before. And the letter A, confirmation. Arizona, this is jet lag. And I saw the letter Q. Okay. So MLDY. MLDY. This could also do with could have to do with singing and songwriting, because I'm looking at, oh wow, and there's the 8 of Wands, or the 8 of Clubs, but yeah, someone has a lot of songs written, or has written a lot of them, or is writing a lot of them, but happy 777. So a lot of deliveries being made. My eyes went right to stop looking elsewhere. It's like what's for you will come to your doorstep. That's the type of energy we're dealing with. What's for you will come to your doorstep. That's how you'll know. Whether this is literal, like you're getting a package or someone's coming to your door, or like spirit just hands you something, like it comes right to your door, it comes right to you. You'll know it's for you. You'll know it's in alignment with where you're headed, because it will come right to your door. I love that. Look out for your Vivint I'm getting, or your Ring cameras, okay? All right, y'all, that's a wrap. I am always wishing everyone well in accordance with their highest good. Okay, do not shoot the messenger, because my ancestors will shoot your ass back. Okay, until next time, and